To check the cost of living on Best Places, start by visiting the website and clicking on the Cost of Living tab. This will take you to a page where you can enter the city or zip code of the place you are interested in. Type in the name of the city or zip code and select it from the drop-down menu. Once you have selected the city, you will be taken to a page that provides an overview of the cost of living in that area. This includes the overall cost of living index, as well as indexes for specific categories such as groceries, housing, utilities, transportation, and healthcare. The cost of living index is a relative measure that compares the cost of living in different cities. A cost of living index of 100 represents the national average. So if a city has an index of 120, it means that the cost of living in that city is 20% higher than the national average. To get a more detailed breakdown of the cost of living, click on the links for each category. For example, if you click on the groceries link, you will see a list of common grocery items and their prices in the city you are researching. This can help you understand how the cost of living in that city compares to other cities. You can also use the cost of living calculator to compare the cost of living in two different cities. Simply enter your income and expenses in one city, and the calculator will show you how much you would need to earn in the other city to maintain the same standard of living. Best Places also provides information on the overall quality of life in different cities, including factors such as crime rates, education, and climate. This can help you get a more complete picture of what it would be like to live in a particular city. By using Best Places to research the cost of living, you can make more informed decisions about where to live and how to budget your money. Whether you are moving to a new city for work or just looking for a more affordable place to live, Best Places provides the information you need to make the best choice for your lifestyle and budget.